Alright, what you got?
I got a lot of food. It's unpacking. You gotta open it up
Oh,
yourself. Yeah.
I'm not that hungry.
I don't care.
Okay,
We
okay.
have to eat anyway. Hello? Hello, wie geht's?
Pancakes?
Fuck yes.
Pancakes from McDonald's.
Do you swear on stream or is it me?
Yeah, you can swear. You can swear,
Okay,
yeah, bro.
okay.
I swear a lot. Is it stinky here?
Weird smell.
Weird smell? Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm
But
streaming.
it's okay. It smells kind of weird. Unpack more.
Okay,
further.
An ice? Oh, you take the worst ice they had. The best they had is Snickers ice.
I thought you like Oreo.
Oh, because of the Oreos?
Yes.
Ja, okay. Na gut.
Unbelievable.
Ja. Sag das.
Unbelievable.
Okay, sorry. Oh yeah, that is very good. That is very good.
You're trolling.
No, it's very good. That is nice.
Okay.
It's very tasty.
Diabetes.
Yeah.
Next.
Oh.
Unpack it further. 4
McCafe. What the fuck, Bruder? 4 Cookies.
Wir?
Das, 4, 4.
Ein
4,
Schwein
4, 4. Ja, das ist krass. That's crazy, sorry, I'm
It's okay.
it's German. Okay, und dann nochmal hier so ein fetter.
And then 2 burgers for us.
Sorry. Das Big Tasty Bacon. Big
Yes.
Tasty Bacon, 2 Stück und 20er Chicken Nuggets.
It's not chicken nuggets, it's chicken combination.
Oh, okay, never mind. Keine 20 Chicken Nuggets. Bruder, ich hab ihr gesagt, ich hab nicht viel Hunger, by the way.
It's what? It's a little
I
bit
said
of food.
it's very nice.
Yeah? I thought you were okay, so what now?
Alright, we can wait. I get you a chair.
Hi. Oh, chair.
Chair.
God bless you. Thank
Do you need ketchup?
A
I
what?
need ketchup.
You need ketchup?
I need ketchup, yeah.
Fucking 10 years old. Okay. What? Anyways. Oh, you're so sick. The chair is really nice. No, I'm fucking ketchup. Okay, I brought this guy, barbecue sauce, and he wants the ketchup. It's okay. When are we spinning this?
Then it's like all 100 subs I spin one time. But I can spin one time because of you.
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay, wir spinnen einmal. Damit sie checkt.
Can I spin it?
You can spin it, yeah.
Okay.
Low spin. Was ist das? Oh, okay.
Hot
chip.
Hot chip?
Hot chip, but you have to be there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. But now just 4. Because you landed there.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I...
Wait, but that's not it's not pleasure, is it?
No, it's not pleasure, no. For me not, but for them, yeah.
Oh.
But it's okay, it's okay.
And where is the chip?
I ordered it tomorrow. It comes in like 10 days. But yeah, I don't know.
Okay. It's low-key scam.
No,
You're
it's
just
not
scamming
scary.
everyone.
No.
Yes.
Okay.
Hello! You ordered for tomorrow, right?
What?
We gotta spin it again.
No. But when they gift, guck mal, here you see the number there? 6 out of 100.
Yeah.
When it's like 94 more, then we can spin.
Okay.
I just spinned a while ago.
Okay.
You can here's our sound effects. I
I can click?
Yeah, you can click. Just these 4.
Wait, that's legit though. That's so legit. Oh.
Yeah.
This is very nice. What means Katy Perry?
That is. Whoa, what the fuck? Digga, Alter, was? Bro, what the fuck?
Lars, let's fucking go spin it again.
Digga, that's crazy. But is Lars a chat of your chat or? Ah, yeah, Lars, is it English?
German.
German! Alter, Lars, Dankeschön, Bruder, ich küsse dein Herz.
Fuck yes.
You can spin. Alright.
So it's this.
What is it?
3 Stunden.
Yeah, what is it?
I don't fucking
Yo.
know.
It's
What is this?
3 hours on the timer for free. It's good for them also, but yeah. but it's good.
Okay.
But there's nothing good for me.
Okay.
Ah, no, it's one thing. That one. That's nothing.
Bro, it's a scam.
Why it's scam?
Like we like at least do something like I don't know, push-ups.
Yeah, but I don't
Your
get.
your friend, this guy.
Yeah, but he do push-ups for like 5 subs. I can.
And it's
Bro.
100. Is it?
Yeah, it's a little bit complicated.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
he does like
Okay.
a mini wheel, and this is the big wheel with the big. This is eyebrow cut.
Oh really?
Yeah, this is eyebrow cut. This is I do my hair blonde. Wie sagt man? Blonde.
You dye your hair?
Yeah, I dye with my hair bleach my hair, bleach my
yeah.
hair.
Ice bucket.
Ice bucket, yeah, also.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is.
Damn, we're unlucky. That would be so fun if you would have to dye his hair right now. That would be so fun.
No, you have to get there 7 times. Bro, no, my hair is, wie erkläre ich dir das? Wie erkläre ich dir das, Bruder? Wie erkläre ich dir, dass das kein Scam ist? It's not a scam, but it's complicated.
And for shaving your eyebrows, you have to do it 5 times, right?
Wait,
hot chip. You have to.
4 times again.
You have to do it 4 times to eat hot chip.
Yeah. Bro,
I'll eat it for free. What the fuck?
Okay, then do
What?
hair bleach for free.
This is diabolical. This is not okay though. Okay.
Yeah.
Your rules. Anyway, so what?
No, it's not a scam. I talked with them. They are okay with.
Yeah, I see. They're totally fine with that.
Yeah.
It's okay. We can eat.
Okay, we can eat.
So what are we gonna eat first?
I eat the chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets?
Yeah.
Are you a fan?
Yeah. But I have no that much hunger. I can ask if I can look if Hui is awake.
Who?
Hui, the Korean guy.
He's there?
Yeah, he's there. He's sleeping there.
Really?
But I can look if he's awake.
Oh my god, that would be great.
I can look.
Can I? Okay, yes. We can feed him too. Good that I brought 4 cookies. Ein Schwein, drein, the 4th. How to say 4? Ein Schwein, drein, 4. 4 cookies. 4 cookies. I brought specifically for a reason if someone else was gonna be there. So I was like, they legit need more, you know, because I don't know. No way! Oh my god, no! Nah, it's all good. All good. That's legit though. Tell him we got a cookie for him.
You can tell him.
He's gonna come here.
He's coming, but he ja, sag's dir selber.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Oksana.
I'm Hui.
No.
You're Russian, right?
Yeah.
Привет, как тебя зовут? Oksana.
Oksana. Yes. Do you want nuggets?
Sag einmal, ja, hol dir einen jetzt.
We have 4
alright,
cookies as well. 4 cookies.
4 cookies?
Yeah.
No, I take a nugget. I take 1 nugget.
Okay. Oh my goodness, that's disgusting.
That's really disgusting.
What is this?
I
That's illegal.
ate the hot chip there.
What you ate?
Hot chip.
The hot chip.
Is it that bad?
For me, yes. I don't like spicy. All right. Do you want to check it out?
Yeah. It's a
Angie Merky.
Oh.
Yeah.
Angie Merky.
Is she here?
No.
No, but
No.
it's a cardboard paper.
Ah,
right?
no, that's in Luxembourg.
Ah. Okay.
Okay, do you want to see it?
Yes.
Das war vor 2 Jahren.
I would put it as a clip on your channel, as an introducing clip on your channel. That tells a lot about you, honestly.
I'm sorry.
It is totally fine though. But still, you really don't have these hot chips in here.
No.
You really don't.
No, I don't.
Swear.
I swear I don't. I ordered yesterday.
Okay. But you have to eat it anyway.
Yeah, when we land there 4 more times.
Okay, any more clips? But that's not the clip that I was
Ja,
talking
Jungs,
about.
den Clip von heute, meint sie.
Yes.
Was ist heute passiert?
But this clip seems interesting.
Was ist heute passiert?
Ich weiß nicht, ich weiß echt nicht, was sie meint.
What is that?
Freaky.
Ja, jetzt. Heute. Oh.
Oh. Turn it on. Let it go.
I don't think you understand this, but I can show it.
Okay.
Hut-Stream, Digga, ist mir scheißegal. Das ist heute
I
Hut.
understand.
Digga, ich hab jetzt nichts mehr, was ich mit meiner rechten Hand machen kann.
Bro, it's not that.
Nine.
It's not that what.
Nine.
It's not that what it shows. It's not
Nine.
that. It's not that what you think.
That is out of context.
It's out of context. I want to grab my microphone arm and they cut it on this second.
Nine.
They cut it.
Nine.
They cut it on this second.
This is crazy.
They cut it. They cut it. Bro, it's out of context.
Nine.
It's out of context.
Weird.
It's out of context.
A nugget?
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. A nugget? Who?
Yeah, for sure. Thank you.
Do you want the sauce?
I think ketchup is.
Warte, ich kann.
Anything else? You like anime?
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, which your favorite? What did they send? Let's see
Yeah,
more.
it's just shitty clips.
Oh hell yes!
Und flambieren. Oh, that is cool. That is cool.
Gut, finde ich selbst an. Was machen wir? That's really tough, right?
Cool.
That's very cool.
Really hot.
Thank
Let's
you.
repeat the same thing. Do we have everything for the same trick?
I can look. I
Let's
can
go.
look. I can look.
Let's go.
I
Let's
can look.
go.
Mach Küche an oder so.
Look harder, okay?
Nee, ihr bleibt hier noch.
Look harder. We gotta repeat the same trick.
Like. Right?
Oh my fucking god!
So, he tries to bring her to love, you know? And he didn't,
Was laberst du? Was laberst du gerade? Was laberst du
Ja,
gerade?
du hast da diesen Böller angezündet, um die zum Lachen zu bringen oder so.
Achso,
glaub ich.
achso, ja.
Ja.
I don't have the things.
You
But
don't have?
we need just, wie sagt man?
Was willst du sagen?
You know lighter
Yes.
for fire?
Yeah.
We need just refillment for that. You know? The gas. I have a lighter, that's a lighter, but we need the thing that we can refill it, you know? The gas.
Okay.
But I don't have it.
You what on the kitchen? Do you have electric stove or gas stove?
Electric.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay. What else did they send?
Alles klar, Digga.
Bro.
You no fucking way you do this on stream.
No.
This is crazy. No way. This is insane. How's that happen?
Ich hol den Stuhl.
No, it's not that what it looks like, you know?
It what it looks like.
No,
If,
bitte, 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 was macht ihr gerade mit mir, Digga?
Jesus Christ.
Was ist das? Was ist das? Ich weiß jetzt nicht, was das ist.
Zum 6. oder
Nee, ich will
7.
das
Mal
gerne-
nicht
Something
vorgelesen.
happened.
What?
Something happened.
What happened?
I don't know. Something starts speaking to me.
Ah, yeah. That one?
Ah,
That's
okay.
text to speech.
This is diabolical.
What?
Everything.
Why?
I don't know. The clips are so crazy.
Yeah, we stopped looking clips.
Yeah, look at more. I want to see it all. I have the Stockholm syndrome, you know. What is it?
That's okay.
This one is fine.
Yeah.
Lol. That one is funny one. This one is funny. Let's go with the last one.
Oh, that's Mr. Beast.
Oh my
that-
god!
that's a full meeting.
W Mr. Beast.
Okay, let's see.
That
Popped
was
up,
so
yeah.
so
Okay.
cringe.
Yep. They can see. Okay. We just met like 30 seconds ago. I don't even know what his face looks like. He hasn't seen my face yet. Yeah, he said he wanted to go live and whatever. We meet each other. So
Can I put it down?
go for it. How's it going?
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Oh my god.
Yeah. You flew all the way over here.
I only see your videos. I see all of the videos.
Yeah.
Oh, it's crazy, bro.
Yeah. Look at chat. They're going crazy. Bro, I'm excited for you to see the show tonight.
Holy shit, again. Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, so that was it? You just wanted us to
Did
meet
you
us?
ever heard about German streamers? Anything? Mm-hmm.
And then he left. Okay. Okay. It's okay.
That's okay. I just. Do you know the cage?
Yes. Do you have it?
No. It's
Okay.
also Luxembourg.
You don't fucking have
Bro,
anything.
but this is Luxembourg.
Oh.
Hier dürft ihr nicht. Hier dürft ihr nicht. Es gibt keine Minecraft?
Minecraft?
That is the best play in my career that I had.
Okay.
I can explain you.
Okay.
It was Manhunt. They all chased me. There was like 6, 7. Oh,
What? What happened? What happened?
Don't do this.
No, don't do this. What? I'm scared.
Look at chat.
Ah, as a means.
you don't know? No?
Like a clown balancing.
Okay. No, it's okay.
Ich muss gehen.
Okay, they chased me like 6, 7, and then I pulled off a trap. They don't know. That was my base. And just look.
Nicht!
Ich
Hier dürft ihr nicht! Es gibt keine
Hier
Regeln.
nicht sprengen, hier nicht sprengen.
Oh mein Gott.
4.
That's,
But you don't know Minecraft. It's a little complicated to understand for you, I guess.
that's absolute cinema.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Digga, ist das bitte, können wir jetzt einen Clip von heute einfach?
Oh, hier! Ich nehm die Sprungschanze!
Oh, can we do the sleep thing?
Do you ski?
Let's go to switch. Oh.
But do you ski?
Oh, no.
No, do you never skied?
No, I never ski, but I did ice skating. Ice skating. I ice skate
is
like It's a what is ice skating? Can you tell him in German? How is ice skating in German?
Eislaufen.
Mm-hmm.
You mean
Where who
ice
disappeared?
skating. Hui?
Who? Just
But
disappeared.
he has his chill time right now.
Showtime.
Do you like to cook some stuff?
Yes, we can make a cooking stream.
Or
Or you don't do cooking streams.
No, I have a kitchen cam there.
Ey, ich hab
You have a kitchen camera?
Yeah.
Can we look at your kitchen?
Yeah, just wait a moment.
Oh my god, that's the kitchen. Oh wow, that's crazy. I love your streaming house. It's really a W.
Okay, here's the kitchen, but it's a little bit messy.
That's okay.
Sorry.
That is wonderful. This is so cool. Is this carbon fiber?
No.
Oreos. It is really nice. This is adorable. What you guys cooking?
Ey, das ist für dich, by the way.
Äh?
Ich habe noch Chicken ein bisschen übrig gelassen.
Das war gut.
Is it still good?
Yeah, I guess.
Oh.
Ja, ich bin mal
Eatable?
gespannt.
And what is? Oh my god, what's this? That's a little iPad.
No, it's a Galaxy Z Fold 7.
What is the screen for?
For wraps.
For wraps?
Yeah,
You did wraps?
I had cooked today wraps.
Oh, you have coffee.
Yeah, I have coffee. Do you want some? Keine Ahnung, wie das funktioniert. Ich wollte es dir nur anbieten.
Yes, please.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
Is it? Oh,
Do you want? Do you know that?
no.
It's. Do you know One Piece?
Mm-mm.
All right. No, then it's okay. I take one other one. Do you want this one of coffee or a big?
A small yes espresso,
Okay,
please.
small espresso. Yeah.
Yeah.
Chat, wie geht das?
No, I know One Piece, but I didn't watch that.
Ah, okay.
But I know One Piece. I tried to watch Netflix One Piece, but on the 15th minutes, I gave up.
Jetzt gib mir
It
eine
was.
Anleitung
It was.
schnell.
You need help.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
It's just a little bit stuck.
You need help?
No, it's okay. I just had to
Oh.
refill it.
Okay. If you need help, you can tell me.
Yeah, it's all good. It's all good.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, it's a very interesting and nice house. You even have a treadmill that you use as storage.
I just use the I don't know how to spell it in English.
The step.
Is
He
it
has a
step?
treadmill right there, and it's just used for storage.
No, not the treadmill, but this one.
Yeah, it's a step. Oh no,
It's-
it's not a step.
It's a ruder. How to say it?
I don't know. Did you use it today?
No, today, yeah, but not. Yeah,
Do you use it every day?
yeah.
You don't know how to use the machine?
I know it.
Okay, fantastic.
Oh.
Was that too much?
No, it's okay.
Okay, is that done?
Yeah. Do you want sugar?
No, thank you.
Okay.
Coffee for you guys. And what else do you have? Do you have something like hidden in your kitchen that is super unique and interesting that it only your kitchen has?
No.
Okay.
Oh, I have a here. You know?
Yes, it's a crepes maker.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's special. But
that is so cool. And something else? What is your favorite cup?
my favorite cup.
Yeah,
I don't have a favorite cup. I guess it's this one
from One Piece.
from One Piece. Yeah.
And it has saying something.
I'm gonna be the king of the pirates.
Legit. Very nice. Anyway, you have a camera in the bathroom?
What?
A camera in the bathroom?
No.
Okay. Where
I
else?
just
I had last year's Sabaton. I had here a camera, there a camera on the couch and TV, and the camera in my sleeping room. But now I just have here a camera.
And that's it?
Who is doing the streams in the night?
Yeah. Okay. He doesn't. Oh, thank you, Hugo, for 10K last month when I was homeless. You really have a big heart, honestly.
Yeah, I know.
Yes.
Thank you.
What else have you done?
Many things.
Like what?
I with my friend Wishtiger, you know.
No, but it.
I do a charity stream for many puppies and cats.
For real or the same
no,
as
free.
For real.
For like 1 month or something. Yeah.
Very good.
Okay, let's go
back?
on the PC. Yeah, but you have to give me your mic.
So what did you plan to do today?
It's late.
It is, yeah.
I don't know. You can look here. I'm banned.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
You're so back.
No, I'm not back. I'm tomorrow. I'm back. But now
Congratulations on the win of your team. It's really awesome.
Which team?
Your team. Pink, black.
Ah, thank you.
You're welcome. W's for the team. we can do some celebration dance for the team. Do they?
You can do.
Why me?
I'm not the dancer.
Let's do a cringe TikTok dance together. I feel like we'll do good. I don't watch TikTok, but we can do TikTok dance.
Yeah. Okay.
Down, then front. One, down, front, then back.
Back, rechts, links.
This way
Right,
and this
left,
way.
yeah.
Right, left,
Okay.
and then all together.
Yeah.
Okay, how? Let's go.
But we do this? No.
This,
And then
what?
what? I have to look one time. Sorry. I'm
Okay,
very brain dead.
picture. Legit, bro, legit. First take, bro. First take.
Okay.
First take. First take.
Yeah, I showed chat.
It was so good. Well, I didn't know we had to. Back. Go back. Go back.
Wait.
Go back.
Yeah.
Wait, no, wait a minute. I'll go.
Bro, wait.
What is this?
Yeah, it is viral on Germany. In Germany.
Is it?
Yeah, it was.
Hell no.
Oh, hell no. Can we watch that? Can we watch that?
Yeah, we can watch it.
This one is too sweet.
Oh, this one is sour.
Yes, but that's good.
No.
Alright. And teach me something in German.
music?
Bastard?
What is it for Musik?
I actually didn't know that word.
Bastard?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
I don't know why people.
But yeah,
Wait, there's more our TikToks on the internet.
yeah, there are many.
Really?
But ganz kurz, ich muss ganz kurz.
Oh, this one is funny. With ananas.
Yeah,
that's
that's
hilarious.
Wait a minute, why did you order pineapple of all flavors?
No.
What the fuck?
No, because bro, because it's tasty, you know.
Bro, aber ich will ganz kurz erwähnen, wir sind hier gerade. That's not my TikTok account right now.
Okay, what's
it's a
your
TikTok
TikTok?
account from Wichtiger, my friend.
And you posted TikTok on his.
No. I posted on my, but here I just look his TikTok and.
Mach das mal.
Bro, das ist seine Suchleiste. Ich wollte einfach noch mal kurz gezeigt haben. So, that's my TikTok. Yeah, that is today. But you can understand anything. You don't understand anything.
Very super cool.
But you can.
Can you tell me what is it? Can you tell me what's the translation?
2018. Wie translate ich das? I quit school. What could possibly go wrong? And then the cut. But it's just like I have joke. Hui, he made a TikTok that's exactly like this, and I just do it also because I'm making fun of him. He said 2023. I start with streaming. What could be go wrong? And then he posts TikTok where he is here.
Can you show me something in your room? What's the background?
I can tell you the stories of the things. I have many trophies.
Yeah? What is the best one trophy?
Wow. I have to look. The best one are in Luxembourg, but here the best one I guess it's this one, but from the look, it's not the best one. It's just a 3D printed trophy, but from the meaning it's the best one.
Oh.
It's first place on the Germany Minecraft tournament. Yeah, with 2 not good Minecraft players.
That is cute.
And I can show you all of them.
What is this drawing right there?
Good one.
Yeah.
For a viewer.
It's from a viewer?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that is so cool. It looks just like you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
And
Oh,
what
this one is also cool, right? Here I won a sports tournament, dodgeball, with my team.
Wait, that guy. It's who?
You know him?
I think I saw him. What?
It's Adi Totoro.
Maybe I saw him.
Hmm?
Not in the real life, in the internet somewhere.
In the internet.
+2.
Yeah,
There's something.
he also streams, but he's more like TikToker.
Thank you for the water.
No problem.
It doesn't close, by the way.
Oh.
Yeah, it's broken
Das
now.
war, warum, was ist da passiert?
Ja, egal, die hat irgendwie verkackt.
Aber was ist von dir, das Wasser?
Das
Oder?
von mir, ja.
Ah, okay, check.
Yeah, well. So I gotta go now.
Okay, no problem.
A little too late. Thank you guys very much for the stream. Thank you for.
Thank you for McDonald's, but we don't eat anything, but...
Maybe tomorrow, maybe
I'll
tomorrow.
bring that with me, okay?
Okay, okay. You can also take this away.
Nimm einfach alles mit, Bro.
Have a nice day.
You want this or with this?
Is it
Bye,
the,
chat.
Is it the
Thank you
cookies
very
or what?
much for all the kindness and welcome.
What's that? That's like.
Looks like tits.
You want
Das
this?
sieht verrückt aus, das habe ich noch nie gesehen.
No, I just didn't
You
understand
want
what kind of cookie
you want
wanted.
the ice that was?
No.
Just put it in the fridge.
Just let it stream.
I don't know how
It's
to...
fire.
Totes Eis, Digga.
Top 10 traurigste Eisbox.
Es ist komplett geschmolzen.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you guys.
No problem.
Thank you. Bye.
Liebe dich, Hugi. Hellhäutig.
Thank you for the sub. Appreciate it. You sure you don't want to? Wait, there are only 19 subs left for the wheel.
Ja, okay, ja, komm. Leute, 19 Subs noch, komm.
19 subs and
Guck mal.
she gonna spin the wheel. Das
Are you
ist
sure?
peinlich.
Das wäre richtig...
Yes,
Oh
spin
my-
the wheel.
Spin the wheel.
Can I spin it?
Spin it.
This is the goal, okay? You have to hit this.
It's fucking scam. I don't want to hit it.
Na, with
It is
Top.
scam because I
Guck mal,
have
sie
to
will-
do this so
sie
many
sagt, das
times.
wäre Scam, weil es nicht direkt kommt.
Because
Ja,
it's
ja,
a
aber das
real
ist ja das war
scam.
Quatsch, ich kann das nicht...
But that's unbalanced to the other stuff.
Yeah, yeah,
because
that's
that's really,
unbalanced.
that's really
You
hard
know,
decision, you know?
here are the things because it's unbalanced to like... here, do a TikTok. it's unbalanced, you know? It must be... 6, 7.
7.
Alright, spin it.
Oh Gott, oh Gott, oh Gott, oh Gott.
Eisball. Does it count?
It was. Put here.
Was ist das andere?
Der Eisbucket. Aber so.
Was ist das Eisbucket?
Ich muss,
Ice bucket is okay too.
Oder ich weiß doch, was Eis. Hey, no!
Eisbucket
Wait,
Challenge?
One of them. Take one of them.
What is this?
This is a hair bleach.
Honestly, I don't think much is gonna change. You're already like blown.
Make black instead of blonde.
Oder du machst zwei Lieder, sieht man das? Ja, sieht man.
Das ist Eisbucket Challenge.
Eisbucket, ja.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright.
So, thank you.
No problem.
Thank you. Bye, Chad. Have a good time. Aren't you in Madeira? We're in Madeira.
Wir sind gerade auf Madeira, ja, aber die geht Montag.
Mhm.
Oh, ich fühle richtig mal.
Do you fly to Russia or what?
I live in Portugal.
Oh, sorry. Ich dachte hier in Portugal und vielleicht irgendwo anders, Vacation maybe.
Ja. Okay, bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, bye.
Geht was diskutieren?
Ja, okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, 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 bye.